For this question, the big thing to notice is that you have an inverse function, an arctangent function. So when that happens, we have this structure for the question for the rule. So the rule structure is that if you're talking about tangent inverse, it's going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. And for the derivative. And what you're going to do is you're going to replace the x here with any inner function that you have. And then the second step is you'll multiply by the derivative of the inner. All right, so with that in mind, the inner function here is going to be 5x. So that is my inner, so to speak, is 5x. So the first step when I'm taking my derivative is I will replace this x with this 5x. So this will become 1 over 1 plus, and in for this x, I'm going to put parentheses 5x squared. And then I multiply that by the derivative of the inner. Now the inner isn't 5x quantity squared, the inner is 5x. So I would multiply that by 5. Now you cannot leave your answer like this on the test. You've got to simplify and remove any parentheses that you have. So what I would do is I would have 1 times 5, so that just gives us 5 over. Now here is a very common mistake that people will make. If you have x times y squared, you would distribute that 2 to both the x and to the y. Well, here you have 5x squared, and just like x is being multiplied by y, 5 is being multiplied by x. So you need to distribute that little 2 to the 5 and also to the x. So this will become 1 plus 25, because it's 5 squared, and then x squared. And that is your y prime.